Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Maths teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 3, Subtraction. Today we are going to discuss checking subtraction with the addition and subtracting bigger numbers. First one, checking subtraction with addition. Step 1, subtraction. Example, 724 minus 412 equal to what? Yes, I am going to represent in place value chart. 724 minus 412. Subtract ones place. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. In tens place, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. In hundred place, 7 minus 4 equal to 3. 724 minus 412 equal to 312. The answer is called difference. Step 2, you are going to check in addition method. The difference is I am going to consider first addend. The subtrahend I am going to consider second addend. So I am going to add 312 plus 412. In ones place, 2 plus 2, 4. Tens place, 1 plus 1, 2. In hundred place, 3 plus 4, 7. Therefore, 312 plus 412 equal to 724. Dear kids, we are going to check both the answers are same or not. That means subtraction of minute equal to addition of sum. So both are same means our solution is correct. Dear kids, for your better understanding, one more example for you. Step 1, subtraction. 272 minus 138 equal to what? Yes, I am going to represent in place value chart. 272 minus 138. I am going to subtract ones place. 2 minus 8. It's not possible to subtract. So we are going to regroup tens to ones. In tens place I have 7. 7 is nothing but 7 tens. I am going to write 7 tens equal to 6 tens plus 1 ten. 1 10 means 10 ones. So it's become 12 ones. 12 minus 8. That means 12 ones minus 8 ones equal to 4 ones. I am going to subtract tens place. 6 tens minus 3 tens equal to 3 tens. Next I am going to subtract 100 place. 200 minus 100 equal to 100. Therefore, 272 minus 138 equal to 134. 134 is a difference of 272 and 138. Step 2, I am going to check addition method. This difference 134 I am going to consider as a first addend plus 138 is the second addend. First I am going to add ones place. 4 plus 8 equal to 12. In this 12, 2 I am going to write in ones place. 1 carry out to tens place. Now I am going to add tens place. 1 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 7. Next I am going to add 100 place. 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, 134 plus 138 equal to 272. I am going to check our answers are correct or not. The subtraction of minute equal to addition of sums. So both are same. So our answer also is correct. Next topic is subtracting bigger numbers.
Subtracting 4-digit number is like subtracting 3-digit numbers.
Example, a website of Max Games was visited by 3,384 children in the month of May. It was found that 1,243 of these were boys. How many were girls? I repeat, a website of Max Games was visited by 3,384 children in the month of May. It was found that 1,243 of these were boys. How many were girls? Dear kids, I am going to write in short form. The total number of May visitors, boys and girls, are 3,384. Is correct? Number of boys visitor is 1,243. Number of girls visitor is what? I am going to write in short form. 3,384 minus 1,243 equal to what? Yes, I am going to represent in place value chart. 3,384 minus 1,243. I am going to solve step by step. Subtract ones place. 4 ones minus 3 ones equal to 1 ones. In this 1 1 I am going to write in ones place. Next, step 2. Subtract the tens. 8 tens minus 4 tens equal to 4 tens. In this 4 tens 4 I am going to write in tens place. Subtract the hundreds. 3 hundreds minus 2 hundreds equal to 100. In this 100 1 I am going to write in hundreds place. Step 4. Subtract the thousands. 3,000 minus 1,000 equal to 2,000. In this 2,000 I am going to write in thousands place. Therefore, 2,141 girls visited the website. Dear kids, try yourself. Pause the video. Complete your notebook. Thank you. We will see in the next video.